In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image in Google Slides. This process is super handy for creating clean, professional looking presentations without needing extensive graphic design software. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to access Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your web browser and signing in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you will land on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you can either start a new presentation by selecting a blank slide or choose from an array of available templates. This step is crucial for establishing the canvas on which will work our magic. Now, with your presentation ready, the next step is to insert an image whose background you would like to remove. You can do this by clicking on the image icon on the toolbar or going to the Insert menu. Once the image is in place, it's time to turn to Google Slides extensions to remove the background. Navigate to the extensions menu at the top of your screen. If you haven't downloaded the necessary extension yet, don't worry, we'll cover that. From the drop down menu, find Background Remover for Images. Selecting this will allow you to integrate a useful tool directly into Google Slides that specializes in erasing image backgrounds. Once you click on Background Remover for Images, select Open. This will initiate the extension and get everything ready for you to start editing the image. Don't hesitate to take a moment here, as your internet speed may impact how quickly the extension opens. Now that the extension is ready to go, focus your attention back on the image. You'll see an option that says Start Remove. Clicking this will trigger the background removal process. The tool will cleverly detect the foreground, typically the main subject of your photo, and start eliminating the background. You can watch as the tool works its magic, transforming your image into something that appears to have been edited by a professional. Remember, being able to remove backgrounds can enhance how your slides communicate ideas, making them not only visually appealing but also efficient in conveying what matters most in your presentations. With these steps, you'll find it to be quite an easy and rewarding process. Keep practicing with different images to become more familiar with the tool's capabilities and perhaps try some creative compositions with your newly edited images. There you have it, a background removal tool right at your fingertips, ready to elevate your Google Slides presentations to the next level. Thanks for watching and have fun with your editing.